Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the cells that contain unwanted spaces and non-breaking characters. This prevents accidental data loss. Once you have a backup, select a blank helper column next to your data so you can apply formulas without altering originals. Now enter equals trim, substitute A2, char 160, to remove common non-breaking spaces and reduce extra spacing. Make sure to drag the formula down to cover every row. This combination cleans both visible and hidden space characters, while keeping original values intact. Once the helper column shows trimmed text, handle complex cases by chaining substitute functions to remove dots, extra spaces, or different Unicode spaces. For example, equals value substitute, trim A2, char 160, converts cleaned numeric text into actual numbers. Make sure to confirm decimal and thousand separators in your regional settings so numeric conversion works correctly. After conversion, copy the helper column, then use paste special values to overwrite or place final numbers where needed. To finish, select the cleaned helper column and use paste special right arrow values to replace formulas with static numbers, then apply your desired number format. If you see hash value or unexpected text, use len and code on suspicious characters to reveal hidden bytes and run additional substitute for those codes. Finally, validate totals or calculations to confirm numeric integrity. If things still go wrong, revert to your backup and test the cleaning chain on a small sample to isolate the troublesome character or format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.